My name is Irving Cho. I'm an audit and advisory partner here at Crowe Soberman. I've worked at smaller firms before. I like Crowe Soberman for its mid-size. It combines small firm client care with large firm bench strength. Most of the work that I do is in the sports and entertainment industry and franchisor space. The sports and entertainment sphere involves cross-border work between Canada and US. My job is to understand the tax laws of both sides and create a solution. The question that I get asked the most is, how do I avoid paying tax? Spoiler alert, you can, but it's my job to make sure that you make smart financial moves. The best advice I ever got was take the risk, bite off more than you can chew. The biggest regrets come from not pursuing your dreams. Like the time I went to Japan and hiked a mountain with no experience. It was hard. I hated every step of it, but when I got to the top, the view was worth it. When I'm not playing with my dog Morton, I'm teaching my friends how to snowboard or playing on a softball team. We actually just won a championship. It's all about mentorship and teamwork, and that's what I do at Crowe Soberman on a daily basis.